What it's up? This is Will. Got a couple more unboxing videos. I'm sure y'all are very excited, but I figure I'll share this one with y'all. I got this mod a couple weeks ago and I have not showed y'all, but I haven't installed it either. I also wanted to update y'all on my car and kind of explain to y'all why I haven't finished the front disc conversion video. But first, let's get to the unboxing real quick and we'll get into the updates later. All right, so something that happened a couple days ago or a couple weeks ago is I received a message on Instagram. The American Racing page sent me a message, and I hope they don't mind me sharing this, but it's awesome. Basically what they said is they like my YouTube videos, they like my Instagram pictures, they like my car, and they just said they were gonna send me some goodies, and you know, didn't really ask for anything for me. They just pretty much asked my address and sent me some stuff, which is awesome. First time somebody's really sent anything like that. And obviously my wheels are American Racing and I'm a big American Racing fan. Also on my friend's orange Chevelle with white stripes that y'all seen, he also has American Racing wheels. So as you know, it was awesome that they reached out to me. But let me show you what we got here. The package did come in today and I wanted to share that with y'all. We got some American Racing stickers. I already have an idea where I'm gonna add some of those. We got a American Racing hat. This thing is freaking cool. I'm gonna wear this to a bunch of car shows. I like this. I've been wanting another hat. Perfect timing. Got me a shirt, and the cool thing is that they got the size right and everything, so I'm gonna wear that to a bunch of car shows too. That's an awesome color combo. And it looks like another shirt, which is freaking cool. Obviously, I'm very excited for this package, and I do want to say thank you to American Racing, Instagram American Racing page, wheelpros.com. If you do go to American Racing and wheelpros.com and go to my wheels, which is the VN 501s, you go to the customer rides, you'll see my car's picture on there, and I will put the link on the bottom of this video. But I did want to say that I really do appreciate this, and this is freaking cool, man. Very excited about this. Thank you. This right here, like I said, is something that I did get a couple weeks ago. I'm barely gonna open it up. I probably won't install it till about a week or two from now. I gotta finish the brake lines first. There you go. Let's open this up. Made in the USA. So I've been having issues with my tail lights. Obviously some bulbs come on, some keep getting burned out all the time. I just haven't had much luck, and I do plan to drive my car a lot, so I want people to be able to see me when I'm braking, and I want my lights, tail lights, all lights working. All right, so I'm sure some of you already guessed it, but yes, I did get some Digitels tail light. They're LED tail lights. They're way brighter. If you YouTube them, you'll see them. They can be sequential turn signals or whatever you really choose. But basically, you install these in your tail light housings, and it's gonna be way brighter. So I'm looking forward to install those. You won't see all the little LED squares once it's in there. Obviously the red housing is gonna block that, but I will be doing a full video on installing this. But it is the LED Digitel tail light kit. I believe I purchased this through eBay. I think it was about 300 bucks, but don't quote me. Bought it a couple weeks ago. I can't really remember. But Digitel's tail light kit, something to look forward to. And then, yep, that's sitting in my garage, and I'll be doing a full video of that here soon. But just wanted to share that with you. All right, so here's the deal on my car. I had it obviously planned on finishing it a long time. I was planning on finishing it a long time ago, and basically a lot of things have been happening. Mostly, I remember the first week or two, I was sick that whole week, and I was trying to battle through it and get my car ready to make it to a car show. That brake kit was missing a couple parts that I didn't realize. I also had to order brake lines, and those, once I received those, they weren't bent correctly, and I had to cut them off, put new flare nuts on there, put new flares on the tubes, install all that. And basically I got everything on, pressured it up, and it was leaking brake fluid everywhere like a freaking waterfall. That pretty much bummed me out. I didn't get to make it to about 3 or 4 car shows I was planning on doing. And basically, as it sits right now, the kit is installed, but I got to take 2 lines off, cut off the nuts, go buy the correct ones and put them back on. That was my mistake. I just didn't put the right flare nuts on there. And it's not something I really done before, but it was stupid. That should have been caught. But basically, you know, I had a lot going on at work. I've been concentrating on work, a lot of important stuff going on, and you know, I put all my concentration on that, and basically haven't been able to finish my car yet. But I am planning on it. It should be done soon. I just got to get my lazy butt to go do it. But with all the mods I have here, I want to get these lights on. I want to get the car done. I want to drive it. I do miss driving it. But that's kind of where we're at right now, and just wanted to give y'all an update and not just leave y'all out there wondering where the video is at. So like I said, they should be coming soon. So yeah, I had to get the gear on. I got the gear on, just trying it out, fits perfectly. Just want to say thank you again. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, check out my other videos, hit the subscribe button. I promise you, there's a lot more videos coming. I know there hasn't been many coming out, but there will be some coming out soon. And appreciate y'all watching, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.